Ramogi kapok odhi weche mag tuke bura ma kelo thek e kind jod bura kod senators wi pok mar omenda e kind piny owacho mamalo kod kaontis ochakore ayanga. Senators odhi nyime gi kawo chung' motegno ni kaontis nyaka bimi bilion 450 katin ma ok bilion 405 kaka ne okete budget manyien e kinde ma jod bura onenore ni piny owacho onge kod nyalo mar chiwo pesa makama kaka jafwambo marwa Chris Owino leronwa. Jopiny e gwenge ma Busia onyiso mor mathoth kendo pako weche makamago.
E bwo tend jakom komiti mar od bura mochung'ne loso budget Samwel Atandi kod nyawadgi mar Senate Ali Roba, kweth ariyogo oywayo tol kochimo korgi moro ka moro e kinde ma senators onyonore ni miyo kaontis bilion 405 e budget manyien en nyiero telo mag gwenge. Seneta ma Migori Eddy Oketch oketo jo od bura ewi kokgi ka oramo ni pesa matin ma kaontis onego yud en bilion 450 nikech sirikal mamalo omoko e tije ma onego chwal kod sirikal mag counties.
A number of devolved functions that in what the minister Mbadi has shared, right, they have been kept deliberately in the national government because of bad behaviors of counties. And I'm wondering if CIA wakes up in the next election and the governor of CIA is Samwel Atandi, would I come back here and say that now I've got the right governor, let me take a claw back on my own decision because now there's a right governor?
Pogruok mar paro onenore kind Eddy Oketch kod Samwel Atandi e wi ng'ano ma wacho chung' mar duond bura mar ODM e wach mar miyo counties omenda. Eddy Oketch oparo ne Samwel Atandi ni chung' mar duond bura mar ODM en ni counties onego yud bilion 450 e kinde ma Samwel Atandi bende oparo ne Eddy Oketch ni en jakom komiti mar od bura mochung'ne loso budget e lo duond bura mar ODM.
While I'm seated here, I'm also having one of my bosses, Raila Amolo Odinga, who also, after doing a lot of work, physical work, he had physical analysts when he was coming up with the number 450 billion, and we did that work as ODM family. It was part of our negotiation also with the Kenya Kwanza government. That number is scientific if you want me to take it through. So below 450 will be a deal breaker.
Thank you.
But 450 you can talk.
Thank you, Eddie. I also want to remind you that I am also chairman of Budget and Appropriations Committee, courtesy of the ODM party. So I am also,
but now you're conflicted. Now you're conflicted.
I am also appointed or nominated by Baba. So I wish that should not be an issue here because we are talking about the reality of the economy. And that is the focus we need to put.
Samwel Atandi kata kamano olero ne komitino ni ochumi mapacho kae pok otegno maromo mar miyo counties bilion 450.
I also want to alert you that even as we push for these resources, let us push for resources that we know we will be able to get in the end. Otherwise, we'll just be making promises. We'll be making promises. You know, we'll be writing a check which cannot be cashed. Members, there's an issue about what can we collect and how much can we deliver. I think that's the most important point for now, members, because I know what is happening. You know what is happening in the economy.
Bang yuaruok e kindgi, senators odwoko dwaro margi piny nyaka bilion 435 e kinde ma jo od bura to ochungi bilion 408.
We will lower further from 435, my proposal, Chairman, to 430. So, as the Kalenjin say, you sleep over it.
Romo machielo idhi bag chieng' wuok tich juma manyien mar kelo winjruok ewi wachno. Chris Owino, Ramogi TV, Nairobi.